Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next door to our partners at Blackpool Seat. Just taking a moment while there's a break in the rain to just do you a quick video of one of our vehicles that we've got online. As you can see, plenty of cars in the forecourt for you to come and have a look at should you choose to. At this moment in time, I'm going to be showing you this stunning 2020 Audi Q2. It's a TDI 30 and it's an S-Line edition, 1.6 diesel, automatic in Daytona grey. As you can see, the 5-door hatch stroke crossover. This particular edition, you get driver select modes, pre-sense and pedestrian protection, smartphone capabilities, cruise control, DAB radio, heated wing mirrors, dynamic suspension, power tailgate, parking sensors, sports seats, and the 18-inch silver alloys. See, so you've got a decent sized boot, and then you've got a drop level boot floor as well, so that does drop down, so you got a second level, and you got underfloor storage as well. 60-40 split on the back seats. Just going into the interior, you got part cloth, part leather, and you got the S-Line logo embossed. You've also got the S-Line illuminated door sills as well. Once you're in the car, obviously you got your automatic gear shift, your scroller wheel in your navigation pad for your center console, electric parking brake, auto hold, your skip function, and your volume controls for your radio or CD or whichever format you've decided to go with. USB and 12-volt port, aircon, climate control. You got your driver select mode switch there. So you got your center console. So just using your scroller wheel directs you through. And then you've got all your options there. Your sat nav, Audi Connect, smartphone interface. So it's all there available to you, dead easy to use. Digital cockpit. And using your keypads just on the left of the steering wheel, you can change your view and your outlay depending on what you want it to display, which is quite cool. Underneath, you've got your cruise control settings, and then as normal you've got your indicators and beam settings on your left hand wand, shift paddle just behind the wheel, windscreen wipers and washers on your right hand wand, again shift paddle behind the wheel, and then right at the steering wheel you get your hands-free Bluetooth and audio controls. Further down your right, auto function headlights, in the door central locking, wing mirrors and windows, plus your child safety switches, and then a bit further down is your boot release for your power tailgate. But it is a lovely car, it's very, very nice to drive. So if you want any more information on this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.